Hi guys! In today's video we're going to teach you how to make cheese bread, a very typical recipe from Minas Gerais, the southeast region in Brazil.
To make the recipe we need 500 grams of cassava flour, 250 milligrams of milk, 800 milligrams of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, ,200 grams of cheese.
And the additional ingredients are dulce de leite and cream cheese. To start, boil the milk with oil and salt. Turn on the stove and wait the mixture boil. Then add the sour cassava starch into a bowl. And scald it with the mixture. Mix well. Let it cool and add the eggs one by one. Use your hands if it's necessary. Now add the cheese and mix it until it's smooth.
Shape into balls and place it on a baking sheet. Place the dough in a preheated oven to 100 degrees for about 15 to 30 minutes.
Oh my god, so creamy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, so creamy.
Kiss, kiss, gilly, gilly.
Kisses, Felicia. We love you. Thank you, girl. Bye.